How are you? I hope you all are well at home. You are staying at home for a long time. Your classes are closed for COVID-19. Every day, many men, many persons are affected and died. So, be careful from this COVID-19. You will always use mask, hand gloves, wash your hands with soap, maintain social distance, and remain safely at your home. Follow this class. The name of our institution is Shaus Dwakari Secondary School, Class 8, Subject English, Second Paper, Lesson Articles Use, dated 17/9/2020. Article in the English A and B are called articles. There are two kinds of articles: indefinite article and definite article. Indefinite articles and definite article. We use indefinite article before a person, thing, animal only on single, and they use before a person, animal, thing when it is directly indicated directly. In this way, so an orange, suppose an orange, we use an. O is violet, so here we can use an. A boy, B is consonant, so we can use before boy A. B is consonant, so we can use A before boy. In this way, a cow, a dog, a cow, a dog, a cow, a dog, a toy, etc., etc. We can use definite article, the sun, the earth, the moon, which is only one planet, star, the universe, it is the. We can use the before newspaper, magazine, ship, sea, ocean, rivers, and when we can indicate directly on person, thing, or animals, in that case we can use article the. So we shall now follow this use of the word article. Here a passage is given. Look at this poster paper. A name of a student is do better in dash, in dash, here exam. The aim, here will be the aim of every student. Let the board down. The aim here will be the aim of every student is do better in B in the exam. Next, but it is not C. Here will be C. Easy. Is vowel. An easy task. An easy task. And underline this. An easy task. Regular student study is D. A must. A must. A must. E. E. It is dash unique quality. It is dash unique quality of dash good student. It is, there will be a unique is, though it is where you is used you. In that case we can, though it is article, we can use a. It is exceptional case. A. Here will be a. E. F. A. Quality of F dash good student. F will be A good student. He should not cram dash answers without knowing meaning. F, G, H, I, J. J, G, cram the answers. Here will be the answers without knowing dash meaning, the meaning. Here will be definite article D. Definite article D meaning he should have dash good command over dash English 2. He should have dash good command I. A. There will be a good command over dash English 2. J. Here English. The English is that question indicate that question. So here is subject. He should have a good command over dash English 2. There will be cross. Besides K. Besides dash student should form dash habit of speaking dash truth. K. A student, besides a student should form dash habit. L. Form a habit of speaking. M. Here will be form the habit of speaking the truth. There will be the truth. He should make a man make best use of time. Best, good, better, best. Here best is superlative degree. So we can use the before superlative degree, and after all the use of time. But the students who are dash are dash ideal and ideal. Here will be an before I is vowel with vowel, so we can use and with supper in dash London. In the long run, here is a phrase in the long run. in the long run. Paying the. So we have fulfilled automatically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 articles. In class 8, you have to fill 10 articles in the grammatical only. In the grammatical only 10 articles. There marks half गुण 10 equal to 5 marks. You have to use 10 articles. So here number 10, here only number 10. Only 10 articles you have to buy. Here are more than 10 articles I have used in this passage. So you will learn well at your home. Study every day. Don't waste your time in vain. Goodbye, students. The next goodbye, students. Your lesson next is use suffix and prefix. Suffix and use suffix and prefix. You will read suffix and prefix in your textbook. The class is end now. Thank you all.